of the day from 9th division.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Madhur from 9th division. Maths formula of the day. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b multiple a minus b. Thank you.
Today our students explain about types of numbers.
Fantastic morning to you all. We are the students of class 8 time. Today we are going to perform maths series. A number is a mathematical language. Is used to measure, used to label. Number system is a writing system for expressing the number. Yeah, a number is a mathematical language. Is used to count, used to myself, used to label. Number system is a writing system for expressing the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting numbers are natural numbers. Include 0, will get whole number. Into negative numbers also will get integers. The number can be written in the form of p by q. P and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called rational number. If the number cannot be written in the form of p by q, p and q are integers and q not equal to 0 is called irrational number. All these numbers are real numbers, real numbers, real numbers.
Mensuration of the day from 7th Pacific.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Anastasia from 7th Pacific. Mensuration of the day. Area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiple height. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to a plus b plus c. Thank you.
Square and cube tables of the day from 6th King David.
Good morning to all. I am Devi Trustee from 6th King David. Square and cube table. 4 square is equal to 16. 4 cube is equal to 64. Thank you.
Shapes of the day from 5th APJ Kalam.
Fantastic morning to all. I am Priya Henna. I am studying 5th APJ Kalam. Definition of triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides having 3 vertices. The angle is formed inside the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It means that the sum of the interior of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. It is a polygon having the least number of sides. Thank you.
Mathematician of the day from 4th Europe.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Dahana. I am studying 4th standard Europe. Today's mathematician Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was an ancient Indian mathematician and astronomer who lived during 7th century CE. He introduced concept and computing method of zero. He was also pioneer in arithmetic and algebra. Thank you.
Tables in reverse order of the day from 3rd Diamond.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Rutvika from 3rd standard. I am on reverse 3 table. 3 tens are 30, 3 nines are 27, 3 eights are 34, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sixes are 18, 3 fives are 15, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones is 3 times.
Add numbers of the day from 2nd Jupiter.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Mehta. I am studying second standard Jupiter. And numbers of the day 21 to 30, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Thank you.
Even numbers of the day from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Rafael. I am studying first standard America. Even numbers 21 to 30, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Thank you.
Numbers in reverse order of the day from UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Rafina. I am studying UKG Penguin. Even number 20 to 11, 29, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50,
Numbers in words of the day from LKG Roses.